So it's 5:45 in the morning, around July something. um, this is where I camped last night, and this is why I camped here. This is Lago Atitlan in Guatemala, and I stayed up here last night to see the sunset and the sunrise. I didn't see the sunset, it was really bad weather last night, but sunrise, beautiful, and all the clouds kind of just spilling over the mountain here on this side. Very cool, beautiful. Chilly, but totally happy to be here. Yeah. How often do you camp on top of a volcano at 3,000 meters and then see the sunrise over a lake? Not very often. And I was up here all by myself, but it was fine. No problem. I brought up loads of firewood, but I couldn't light the fire because it was just too cold, or just too wet. Maybe I'll light it up now. Good morning everyone back home. See you later.